Hello friend, this is Abhay with you once again. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review one more new product. The product name is Viral Mark. So see, this Viral Mark is a Twitter plus YouTube traffic automation app. So here with this software you will get the unlimited targeted buyer traffic from these both platforms like Twitter and YouTube automation. See, nowadays Twitter and YouTube have a millions of the user. Okay, and see, with the help of this software you will get the untapped buyer traffic from both of these potential platform. So here in this software you will learn how to get the traffic from this both platform, that is also in automatic mode, and here you will learn how to get this traffic. So here along with this software you will get the training how to use this software effectively to get the free buyer traffic from this platform like Twitter and YouTube. So it's a newbie friendly, no technical skill is required, and while I am taking you through this member area you will come to know how this software will work in step by step way. So you can understand how this software will work and help you to get the traffic from Twitter and YouTube, that is also in auto mode. So today I have a great offer for you. If you like this product and if you purchase this product through my link, you will get the additional bonuses from my side which will act as an add-on for this software, and you will get the vendor bonuses as well. So link is already given in the description. So once you click on that link you will get this product and bonuses. So today I will review this product. So first I will take you through the bonuses, then we'll visit to this member area, and then we'll check the price and OTO prices. So let's start our review. So we'll go through these bonuses which is I am offering along with this product. So this Viral Mark is going to launch tomorrow 27th August at 11 AM EST, that is Eastern Standard Time. So these bonuses is only for limited time frame. So these bonuses will be there till 2nd September midnight. So you have to grab this product before that so that you can avail these bonuses. So I'll take you through the bonuses. So here first bonus which I am going to offer you, that bonus number 1, how to build buyer list. So this is the tutorial where you learn how to grow your buyer list. So see, it is well said that the money lies in the list. So as bigger your list, the more chances of your earning in the online marketing. So here various hacks and strategy is given how to grow your buyer list. My bonus number 2, here A to Z launch jacking guide. So in this tutorial you will learn how to do this launch jacking. Launch jacking means to promote other people's product. So by promoting this people product, so by putting your affiliate link, so once if anybody purchase that product through your link, you will earn the money as a commission from that product. And my bonus number 3, build your Facebook following fast. So you know that the Facebook is the one of the potential platform where you can campaign any product or promote your product. So here various hacks and strategies given how to grow your Facebook following fast. So everything is given in step by step way here. My bonus number 4, how to explode your YouTube channel. So YouTube also one of the best platform to promote of any product or a campaign any product. So here various hacks and strategies given how to grow your YouTube channel, and here various strategies also given how to rank your channel, how to rank your video so that you can grow your YouTube channel. So various strategy is given here so that by implementing this strategy you can grow your YouTube channel. My bonus number 5, you will get the vendor bonuses as well. So along with this product, vendor is offering some bonuses that also you will get along with this product. So now I'll take you through the member area. So I have logged into this member area. So here you can see the dashboard. So we are on this dashboard. So here for Twitter, you have to just select your Twitter account. Suppose if I select this Twitter account, and so here you can see this how many tweets you have tweeted, everything that in this dashboard, the statistic will be given. So here you can add this new tweet. So here you can post your new tweet or your campaign. From here you have to just type as per your requirement. So here you can type whatever you want and you can put your affiliate link. Here you can put any of your images, you can upload the photo here, and here you can schedule this tweet also, or you can immediately tweet that your post from here, or you can schedule also. Here you can schedule, that provision is also already given. So from here that tweet you can schedule when to that tweet to be posted. So from here you can post your tweet. So here some automatic function is there. As I told, this is totally work on the automatic mode. So auto follow is there. So you have to just select your Twitter account, and here with the help of this hashtag and username you can follow and unfollow also. So from here you have to just use this hashtag and click here save, and you can promote unlimited campaign from here. So here some auto retweet function is also given. You have to just select your that Twitter account, and from here automatically you can retweet from this. Here as well the auto like option is also given. So if some tweet is there, so if you want to like that, so personally no need to go to this account. So here the provision is given, automatically you can set, you can like the tweet, you can auto redirect that message also, you can reply on that message also on auto mode from here. So everything work in automatic mode. So you can search some of the tweet if you want to search that tweet. So here from that tweet account you can search some tweet, or with the help of keyword also you can search the tweets, various tweets. So here gallery is also given, where you can save some images which you want to use in your Twitter. That time you can upload these images from here. So you can save your images here. So here as I told, training video is also given. So whenever you want to, means actually in this training video you will learn how to effectively use this software. So here some upgrade link is also given. So from here if you want to go for upgrade version, you can go for that upgrade version. So bonuses is there where you can avail these bonuses which vendor is offered along with this product. So as I told, so this is the software where you will get the unlimited buyer traffic from Twitter and YouTube as well. The second option is given for YouTube also. So you have to just click on this YouTube automation. So where various tools is given, so that you can use this YouTube automation to grow your business or to promote any campaign. So here various tools is given, like this shorten URL. With this help of, so you can shorten the URL. You have to just paste the URL here and create short. Once you click on this short URL, your URL will be short. So here social account, you can integrate your various social account here. Image editor is also given, so that various image you can edit here. And you can use these images in your campaign. So here channel manager is there. So from there you can manage your YouTube channel. You can view what campaign you have run, how many videos you have uploaded. Playlist manager is also given, video manager is also given. So that from here you can view whatever the video you have posted, and your playlist also you can see. So here template manager is also given. So these are some ready-made templates is there, so that you can use this template in your campaign. So this auto reply template is there, auto comment template is there, so that whenever anybody comment on your video or in, so that with the help of this auto reply, you can reply to the comment as well. So here search engine is also given, so that you can search some videos also. So if you want to search some videos for to promote any product, suppose if you have to just simply click put here some keyword like, so if I type here online marketing, so if I want to search online marketing video, so just I have to put this text here and simply click here search, so that you will find the video related to the text which you have inserted. So I have inserted online marketing, so here you can see the various videos for this online marketing. So you can use this video, you can go through it. So you can search anything, video, channel, playlist, everything you can search. You have to just simply type the text in this search window. Here, as I told, it means actually auto reply function is also given, so that it will work on automated mode. So rank tracking is also there, so that you can see what is the rank of your videos. Everything you can search from here. You can take a look from here. So this is from this YouTube automation. So again, I will go back to Twitter. So here bonus support is also given, so that if you stuck up at any point of time, you can directly contact to their support team. So I hope you will understand how this member area of this software will work. So this is from this member area. So I'll take you through the price and upsell price. So this is the price for front end. So front end for this viral mark, which cost you around $17. So here you will get the access to the Twitter and YouTube traffic automation app that drives you unlimited buyer traffic from these two platforms. So here you will get the access to the software and training module also. So here, even if you buy this front end, you will get all the bonuses which is offered by me, and you will get the vendor bonuses as well. So now I will go through only the price part. What are the price for the various OTOs? If you want to go in detail, what exactly in that OTO will get covered, and if you want to go through sales page in detail, so link is already given in the description. You can go through that link, so that you can go through in detail through the OTOs and sales page. So this OTO number 1, viral mark unlimited, that cost you around $37. OTO 2, viral mark done for you, that cost you around $197. OTO 3, viral mark pro, which cost you around $37. OTO 4, viral mark exclusive, which cost you around $97. OTO number 5, viral mark reseller, which cost you around $37. So this is from this price part. So I'll summarize this software. So this is the software in which Twitter and traffic automation app is there. So with the help of this software, you can get the free unlimited targeted traffic from both of these platforms like Twitter and YouTube. As you know that there are millions of users for this Twitter and YouTube. So with the help of this software, you will get the free buyer unlimited traffic from this platform. And this software works totally on auto mode. You have to just do some setting, so that automatically your product or your campaign will be promoted through this app. So here in this app, you will get the access to this app along with the tutorial for this app. So here in this training, you will know how to use this app effectively. So I hope this review is helpful to you. If you like this product and if you want to purchase this product, the link is already given in the description. So once you click on that link, it will redirect you to the sales page, from where you will get this product along with the bonuses from my side. So on this channel, I will come up with the upcoming product review videos. So do visit my channel, and if you like this video, please share it with your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.